Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, wala pa rin akong holder ng phone. But anyway, as promised, I'm gonna be discussing with you today on this video, tires. And also pala, you can check us out on Facebook. It's at Infinite Glory Trading. You can see what types of services and products that we offer. Or also, you can visit here in the shop. The address is also there on the Facebook page and the contact number. I'm always here. I work from Mondays to Saturdays. You can see me or my staff here. They're going to accommodate you. Promise. Well, I can't use my right hand, but I promise you. But okay, anyway, let's move on to the tires. I'm gonna show you now different types of thread that we have. Of course, makikita nyo, it's obvious that it's on different sizes as well. But hindi ko na i-discuss sa inyo yung sizes because some of us know naman what the size of tires that we use for a car. And if you don't, you can just actually see it in the tire itself. So nakasulat doon. It's usually 2 sets of numbers or 3 sets of numbers. Or if hindi nyo pa rin gets, let me know on the comments. I'll answer you or DM me. So, alright, let's discuss about the 3 types of threads. Okay, before pala we get into the types of thread, I'm gonna ask you 4 questions first. First is, what is your vehicle? What is your car? Second is, what is the function that your vehicle gives you, or what's the function that you want for the vehicle? Third is, do you have a budget? Like, of course, that's really important. And then fourth is, do you have a specific preference for the brands? And I'm gonna give you my take on the brands also later. So yeah, we can move on to the thread now. So there are only 3 types here. I'm not gonna show you the other types because hindi naman siya common and hindi naman siya for commercial and for private use. So anyway, itong tatlong types na to, yung pinaka-common, no, for your private vehicles. So first is the highway terrain. Highway terrains are usually for sedans. I think I've never seen a sedan na naka all-terrain or naka mud terrain. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, for the past 20 years that we're having this business or that we have this business, wala pa ako nakikita na sedan na naka all-terrain. But yeah, highway terrain kasi is good for wet conditions. Maganda rin kasi yung braking power niya. It helps the braking system of your car as well. And then all-terrain naman is mostly used for SUVs or pickup. So maganda kasi siya because since it's called all-terrain niya, it's for both highways and rough roads. But yeah, since it gives you 2 functions or dalawa yung category that it falls on. Of course, hindi niya na ma-maximize yung pagka-highway function niya or pagka-terrain function niya. So, kaya parang siya yung middle dun sa tatlo. And then lastly is the mud terrain. So, the mud terrain naman is mostly for terrain type of function. So, yung mga talagang pumupunta ng mga bundok, or if your car's function is to go in the farm or to be used in the farm, syempre very muddy yung mga trail, no? So pag nagte-trail ka, usually mud terrain talaga yung ginagamit, or else magsislip talaga yung tires mo or yung car mo. So there. So later on na guys, that I'm gonna discuss with you yung strengths and weaknesses of these 3 types of threads. I'm not gonna discuss with you the snow tire or the industrial tires or the bias tires or something else that I'm pretty sure my viewers are not interested with. Or if you are, sige, let me know and I'll try to make a video of it. So now, let's move on to the brands, no? If you're gonna ask me, of course, there are China brands, there are premium brands, and there are essential brands. For my personal cars, I use different types of brands as well. Well, some of my cars are brand new, some are second-hand, or some I've been using for quite a while. So, of course, when I change them, I try to also be on a budget. So, if you're really on a budget and you are in need of changing the the tires, I suggest that wag mo i-tanggal sa choices mo yung China na brand. Why? Because as for my personal experience, hindi totoo, or I haven't experienced na sumasabog, or the bad rep of China brands, because I think there are a lot of factors to consider. Hindi lang yung manufacturing country, like the maintenance, nagpapa-hamper alignment ka ba? That's also very important, and for the wear and tear of the tires. So hindi lang siya just because it's made in China, it's supposed to be of less quality or whatever. So don't believe people when they say that. Of course, there are better brands, which are the premium ones, but it also gives you 2 times of the price of the China brand. If you're going for a for savings in the long run, okay siya. I would suggest that you get that, because you can really maximize the mileage of the tire, the limit of the mileage of the tire kapag premium yung pinili mo. And of course, meron din naman mga essentials, which is nasa mga gitna. So it's the middle, we can put it that way, na parang middle class or middle quality. They're very competitive na rin when it comes to the quality. Kung i-compare natin sa mga premium, there are so many brands out there, especially the ones that are made in Indonesia or Thailand, na maganda na rin yung quality niya, na hindi kasing mahal ng premium. So also consider that kung medyo, more than your budget, or more than the China budget naman yung ina-allot mo for the tires. So I hope this video helped you into finding the perfect tire for you. And if I have left out any other information, let me know. Baka magawan ko ng video, or masasagot ko na lang yung mga questions nyo on the comments or on my personal messages. So just let me know. I hope to see you again next time. I'm going to be discussing probably things about motor oil. So, but it's not certain yet. So I will let you know. Bye!